Now let us actually try doing something amazing with the help of this trigger box and these events. So first of all, I will just reset this. I will set this to like a physics actor. Now make sure this overlap events has been enabled and hit events is also there. So I'll just bring this down and I'll add this trigger box. So inside here, I'll bring this one over here and I will set the size of this. Can increase it somewhat like this. So this can be an area. So first I would like to do like if my character enters this area, then the color of this or the material will change of this. So firstly, let us actually select this one. I will go back here to the level blueprint and I will write begin overlap for this trigger box. So when I'm making the overlap, what should happen next? So I want to actually set the material of this, not on begin play. When I'm begin overlapping, then it will happen. So let's have a look. So compile and hit save. So currently you can see the color is blue, but as I enter the trigger box, it has turned back to orange. But when I exit, there is no event for exiting out. So we have to actually enter that event for that. So I can go back here inside the level blueprint. So we can write on actor. So first we need to select that trigger box. Yes, it is selected. I can just write end overlap. And I can set the material again. So I'll just duplicate this one, set the material of the same thing, but here I can set the material. So let us see what is the original material. So if I just scroll up, so this is the original material. Just find it over here, go back to the level blueprint and set it here. But if we cannot set directly, we can actually search for this name solid_blue and it is just type solid blue. This one is its original. So now I enter, it is orange. I exit, it is blue. Something like this. Now there's another function that we can use to actually do something like this. So suppose I don't want to use the end overlap. So there is one function called as Flipflop. What does this function do is it will just alternate between option A and option B. So let me just show you an example. So this can be option A and this can be option B. So when I begin overplay, first option A will be selected. Next time when again this function is called, this event is called, then option B will be selected. Then again if I again this event will be called, then function A will be selected. So it is like a flip-flop. So it will alternate between A and B, A and B. So it is like this. Let me just show you. It will only happen when the overlap event takes place. So overlapping, again overlapping, again overlapping. So it is just switching its color. Maybe we can take a different color or the material, I must say. So suppose like this one, green. And so when I'm overlapping, first it will be orange, again begin overlap green, again begin overlap orange. So you can also use this flip-flop function to alternate between both of them. Pretty interesting.